How to find the best high-ticket affiliate offers on Clickbank. Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And this is a video and a blog post that I'm doing on how to find the best high-ticket affiliate offers on Clickbank. And the reason I'm doing this is because I made a video the other day. It was called How to Make High-Ticket and Reoccurring Affiliate Commissions for Beginners. And I did it outside on my cell phone. And what I wanted to do is do a video that shows the steps. So that's why I'm doing this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to clickbank.com and I'm going to show you the steps. And then I'm going to come back. So let's go to clickbank.com and then I'll be back. How to find the best high-ticket affiliate offers on clickbank.com. Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. This is a video that I'm doing on how to find the best high-ticket affiliate offers on clickbank.com. And the first thing that you want to do is go to clickbank.com and create an account. And there are some things you need to know about Clickbank before you create an account. And one is when you create an account, in order to get paid, you have to have so many transactions from so many different credit card numbers and so many different credit cards. And they don't include PayPal. So PayPal is not valid. So anyway, they can purchase with PayPal. It just doesn't go towards your so you can get paid before they release your funds, is what I'm trying to say. And sometimes it does take a little while to get these 5 transactions and go through all these different stipulations. So anyway, that's something that you need to know, and you might want to read clickbank.com's terms and conditions on getting paid before you sign up. But anyway, that's just something I wanted you to be aware of before I go through this demonstration. The first thing that you want to do is, after you become a clickbank.com member, is go up here to Marketplace. So you go to the Marketplace, and then you go to the search bar, and I'm going to use affiliate marketing. And I'm going to search affiliate marketing, and then it will come up with some results. And then you got this keyword relevance. You see what sort by is where it says keyword relevance. You got this drop down here, and you got some different options on here: keyword relevance, rank, average conversion, future and rebill, gravity. So you got some options on here, and the one you want to go to is future and rebill. Go to Future and Rebill, click that, then it will show you the highest to lowest, Future and Rebill. And as you can see, it's got John Crestani's auto webinar, his super affiliate system. And you can see the different metrics on here. And you can see the average conversion is $701.02. And you also want to make sure it has an affiliate page so you can get affiliate tools. You want to go through all this information here. If you want to look at the sales page, you can look at the sales page. But I'm not here to promote John Crestani's super affiliate system, but you can see that it is a very lucrative offer, and John Crestani is a well-regarded affiliate marketer, and he's high regarded in the industry. So anyway, that's how you find the best ones, is you want to find future and rebilling high to low. That's the whole point. And I do want to show you another offer that is very, very good, and I'll leave links to it in the description. And that's John Thornhill's Ambassador Program. And this is a very good offer too. If you become a elite member, and I'll leave links to this in the description to where you can sign up to be an affiliate for John Thornhill's Ambassador Program. If you become an elite member, you get 100% commission. You don't get 50%, you'll get 100% commission, and you can make up to $3,493 per sale. Okay? This is a very, very good offer here. It's probably one of the best ones on Clickbank. And I do recommend that, and I will leave links to where you can get more information about it in the description. So anyway, this is just a little video here that I did to show you how to find the best high-ticket affiliate offers on Clickbank. I did a video, I don't know whether it was yesterday or the day before, one of the last videos I did, and I felt like I needed to go inside Clickbank and show you exactly what I was talking about. So anyway, basically go to clickbank.com, create an account, go to Marketplace, then go to search, whatever your niche is, and then go to future and rebill high to low. That's how you find the best high-ticket affiliate offers on clickbank.com. Thank you, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I'm back, and that was the steps on how to find high-ticket affiliate offers on clickbank.com. And you can get access to the blog post somewhere around this video. You can get access to any resources that I talked about around this video. So anyway, thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.